Day is said to celebrate the hard work and achievements of the labor group. This is one day that is entirely devoted to the labor class. Many countries celebrate this day on a different day. However, in maximum countries, this day occurs on the 1st of May. That happens to be International Workers' Day. Origin of Labor Day. The story of Labor Day began with the rise in industrialization. The industrialists exploited the labor class these days. They took a lot of work from them but paid them very less. Laborers were forced to work for 10 to 15 hours a day in very tough conditions. Those who worked in chemical factories, mines, and other similar places suffered very much. Lastly, they took the bravery to stand united and raise their voice against the oppression. Nearby that time, founding trade unions and going on strike. It was also considered illegal in several countries. So they formed trade union and laborers went on strike. They also held rallies and protests. Lastly, the government heard their request and reduced the working hours to 8 hours. Thus, this special day to celebrate the effort of this class was also set. What is the history of the Labor Day? In India, Labor Day or May Day was started to celebrate it first in Chennai on May 1st, 1923. The Labour Kisan Party of Hindustan initiated this. The leader of the party, Comrade Singarwailar, organized 2 meetings to celebrate this event. One meeting held on the Triplicane beach and the other took place at the beach opposite Madras High Court. In the meeting, Singarwailar approved a resolution which indicated that the government should announce a national holiday on the May Day or Labor Day in India. This was the first time a red flag was hoisted in India. Significance of Labor Day. Labor Day is a very significant holiday in a different country in the world and in India also. Here are some reasons why it is so much significant to the population. First, when they work in an organized, concreted way, then the workers become very powerful. Labor Day is a day that unites workers together and reminds them of their power when they act in unity. Workers can often feel ignored, mainly when they do vigorous or otherwise emotionally and physically taxing jobs. Labor Day is a day when workers can feel respected for their work that they have done all over the year. Third, on Labor Day, workers and their needs and rights are in focus. This day can be motivation for refining workers' efforts. They learn about their rights and to campaign and make movements. In this way, they can make a better life for themselves and their family. Fourth, economic data about growth, output, input, and productivity can often unclear. The man and woman who essentially power the economy with their work. So on Labor Day, we are reminded that the economy is something that affects real man and woman, essential for that. The awesome majority of countries celebrate Labor Day on the same day, May 1st. This means that this day does not just bring together workers in India, but it also gives a sense that workers all over the world, which unites them through their common struggle and their common experiences. This day is important as it enables workers to take some much needed rest from their work and to collect their thoughts, spend time with their loved ones, or just recover their energies. This day motivates people to get into work and to work hard. This will help to retain the economy. It also encourages men and women to follow their chosen career to do their best at them. In this way, they contribute to their society. Conclusion. We know that the worker receives minimum pay by selling his own labor. That is the reason why International Labor Day is celebrated all over the world. So, this day is to promote and encourage international labor associations. Thus, it is a special day to appreciate and recognize their contribution to society as they are certainly well deserved. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.